Whoa. That's actually kind of cool. Oh my goodness, guys. It is raining out here. What happened? Wow. It's Christmas time, guys, and man, it's rainy. Your Supreme Leader has lost their voice, in case you guys are wondering. Wow. I was expecting maybe some snow, but you know, rain's alright. Siths have to adapt. Whoa, that is one big ass tree right there. That is so delightful. Whoa. Love the decorations though. And here I am, your Supreme Leader at Disneyland again. Let's go. Here at Main Street, USA. So far, so good. Just a little rain, never hurt anyone, and it's a good way to stay in shape. There's the castle. Let's go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hopefully they don't cancel the fireworks because of the rain, because I really want to see the fireworks. It's the best part of the night. Alright guys, let's start my little adventure here with your crackled voice Supreme Leader. Let's go. We're stuck again! I'm in the right. I'm stuck again. That's my boy, Jack Sparrow.
Salute. Eyes on me. Drink up, Joe. Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves.
Oh my goodness, it's Jack and Sally. Your Supreme Leader is pleased. I love these characters. Oh, hello there. Jack, Sally. Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness. Huh. This is amazing. Please throw us death and mercy. I'm just kidding. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, your Supreme Leader loves this. Merry Xmas. Woo! Whoa.
Than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged.
Sparky!
As Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer.
Zero.
Nothing here was forgotten.
Oh yeah, this is my speed.
Makes a wonderful ring. As long as you don't get caught.
Holy cow, this is so cool, guys. The Supreme Leader is honored to do this for you guys. Oh, what the hell? That's creepy.
Jax, are you ready to visit?
And we're stuck again. Woo!
Continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
If you guys are wondering where your Supreme Leader is, he's right here. See? I'm right here in the dark. See? Can you see me? Can you see me?
On the 13th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 13 rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac.
That's me right now.
The future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas,
With
my
some treats.
Please remain seated in your black.
And we're stuck for the 100th time.
pretty tree.
A bag full of toys Jack had slung on his back. They were strange and bizarre. On the attack.
Oh, hell yeah. This is my jam. Now, this is Christmas right here. What's this? What's this?
What's that?
What's that? Holy crap. This is cool. Hello there. How'd you do that? You must be a dark side user to do that.
Now what better gift are my friends to bestow than a window that's covered in ghostly white snow?
Oh, that's so cool. Hello, Jack.
Second gen.
Like our Christmas. Have you been naughty or nice?
Oh, I've been naughty. I killed my dad, Han Solo. And I did it with awesomeness.
Happy holidays, everyone!
Oh, yeah. You remind me of my girlfriend, Ray. This is so awesome. What up, nerds? Where am I at? Oop. Stupid me. I'm at Galaxy's Edge. Or in other words, I am home. I am finally back home. Ooh, pardon all this. Kyle Silver, Doron. There's no one here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. That was so intense, guys. I'm so tired. I need to sit down for a bit. Well, it wasn't so bad. Although personally, I prefer to ride my TIE Fighter over this piece of junk, which is my father's. Oh, autofocus. I gotta remember to practice on how to record, but it's alright. The ride was fun. Moving on. Okay, I am confuzzled. Why is there locals around my ship? I should be charging them $5 to be looking at my spaceship. You see that spaceship? It's mine. Mio. Hey everyone, your Supreme Leader Kylo Ren is here with a cracked voice. Anyone? Why are they waiting on this fake imposter? I am the real Kylo Ren. Even though my voice is a bit cracked, I'm right here. Locals? Anyone? Well, it is Christmas. Christmas. I forgot it's Christmas. I should be nicer. That's... I don't understand what's all the wait. They're all waiting for Kylo Ren, even though I'm right here. Right here. I am right here, folks. Anyone? Hey!
Oh, there's stormtroopers.
Oh. I'm not paying them to say hi to people. Hey! I'm your boss. I'm all your bosses.
Where's... it's just some of the stormtroopers.
Hey, you can't talk to him like that. Only I can talk to you guys like that.
Where Kylo Ren at, bro?
I'm right here, bro. Look at me.
Where's your boss?
Your boss is right here. Right here. I'm smaller. Oh, what the? What, am I a joke?
Where's your boss? I want to see your boss.
These fools do not recognize me. I am right here. I am right here. Oh. Since when? Hold on. Since when the stormtroopers get saucy? Only I'm saucy. I'm confuzzled.
I wish we could start chanting like, we want Kylo.
Kylo's right here. Huh. Looks like the imposter's not coming out. Well, he's probably afraid of what I'll do to him if I see the fake imposter. my voice. Moving on. I am not paying these stormtroopers to stand there. Shoot them! It doesn't get any bigger than that. My ego is bigger than that big pointy rock. Now I'm heading to Tomorrowland. Yes. Oh yeah, that's where I'm going. Oh my goodness, my fellow nerds, I got bad news. It got cloudy again. That's terrific. Just terrific. On the bright side, at least I'm not getting wet. It is a Christmas miracle, guys. It is not raining. Yay! You know what that means, guys? Your Supreme Leader is gonna see some fireworks tonight. And that makes me happy. Let's go. Let's go. What up, nerds? This is Supreme Leader Kylo Ren, and sadly we cannot go on Astro Blasters. Apparently the ride was closed. Standing there like an idiot for almost an hour, and I'm about to toss somebody to my cruiser and run him over because, man, he seriously had 1 year to fix it. 1 year. Moving forward, let's go. Alright, Kylo, just because a couple rides went down doesn't mean it's gonna ruin the Christmas spirit for me. There's still hope that I can still have a good time here. So, to make myself feel better, I'm gonna go on another ride. Hopefully the next ride doesn't break down, otherwise I'm gonna break down these employees. So, yeah. Beautiful. Alright, let's go. Follow me, guys. What up, nerds? If you guys are wondering why I'm back here again, well, most of the rides here on Disney are closed, so we're trying other rides, sadly. So, yeah. Let's go again. Hey, sexy mama, nice tea. Polly, want a cracker? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your Supreme Leader Kylo Ren, and this is Galaxy's Edge and nighttime. We are here, the one place that feels like home. Never gets old. Your Supreme Leader now has the control, and now is shooting down aliens for fun at Buzz Lightyear blasters. I'm just happy they opened. So that's it. The power of the dark side will make me win against these aliens. I'm gonna shoot it like a gangsta. I'm kidding. I'm just gonna shoot it like the Supreme Leader, as the Supreme Leader should. Woo! We're gonna spin in circles. Whoa! Yeah, spinning. That's a good trick. Oh, there's Darth Vader. Hi, Darth Vader. Discounter. All right. I'll see you guys on the other side. I want to have fun and shoot these droids. Okay, Disney, sometimes I hate you, but damn, you do know how to make those castles. Whew. For once. And guess where we're going, my friends? We're going to Fantasyland. And he just there for no reason. A random stranger. Ooh, a Ferris wheel. Ooh, a horse. Oh, that's a nice detail right there. The Supreme Leader wants to be sleepy. Oh.
What? We're staying backwards.
Let's go, your supreme leader. Dance queen. Woo!
I bring a poison apple to Snow White.
Oh, I love her. She's evil, like me. Hi ho, Kylo Ren is here now. I love this man right here. Oh no, how unfortunate. It started raining again. Oh no. Oh no. That is bad. And my voice is almost gone after I went on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, but it was worth it. Uh-oh. See, my voice is almost gone. It's raining, guys. Holy snap. Oof. You guys have been real warriors for sticking with us. With me, actually, your supreme leader. Ooh, Haunted Mansion.
No, I just have it covered because I don't want shit to get wet.
I felt that. Let's go. We're back at the Haunted Mansion. Going on the last rides. Wanted to show you guys this on daytime, my friends. Your supreme leader always tries to give you guys what you want. And I'm not gonna... Oh. I wanted you guys to see this. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, Merry Christmas to everyone who was watching this. Or late. Love you all.